So if you ever need to convert an audio file into a video file, I'm going to show you the general practice for that. I'm using CapCut right here because it's a free option. I would prefer using Premiere Pro because that's what I typically use, but that's paid software. The process is the same for whatever video software you have. And in fact, you could probably do this in Microsoft Clipchamp, which is a free built-in app with some extra paid features. But for what we're doing, I believe you can do all this there. Regardless, CapCut is a free download. We're going to exit this, exit all these things. We're going to simply import two things. What we need is an MP3 file, this right here, and then a image file. So that PNG right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag the sermon, the MP3, this file, which is 32 minutes long, down here on the timeline. And then we're just going to plop the image down here too. And so what we do with the image then is we take this and drag it all the way over here. So then you line it up all the way across that audio file, and that's it. If you wanted to adjust the volume, adjust the equalizer, you could do that if you know about all that. But for our purposes, this is all we need. We just now need to export it 1080p, and we'll put it on the desktop. We're going to name this, and then we export it. That'll take, looks like a couple minutes here in CapCut. I think Adobe Premiere Pro might be a little bit faster than that. It's estimating a 1.9 gigabyte size. That's pretty large. We probably could have played with the settings to get that down a little bit. Now, if you want to do the inverse of this, check this video out next, where I show how to convert a video file into an audio file, again with free software that you can download easily on either a Mac or PC.